गोंय सरकार गोंय कोळशाचो केंद्र जावपाक दिवचे ना। सद्याक एमपीटीत फक्त 10 ते 12 मिलियन मेट्रिक टन कोळसो हाताळटात। अतिरिक्त कोळसो हाताळणीचो विचार सरकाराच्या मनात ना। ह्या संदर्भात मुखेलमंत्री केंद्राकडल्यान लेखी आश्वासन घेवन जाहीर विधान करतले, अशें पर्यावरण मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान सांगला।
Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant is very firm that Goa will not be a coal hub at all. This is a strong statement which I think I, on behalf of my government, want to say. There is no question of Goa being a coal hub. Today there are allegations against this government that it does not listen to the people of Goa, which is very much wrong. This is the only government, successive BJP governments have listened to the people of Goa and brought what is required in the interest of Goa. There was never mention of increasing of coal in Goa. Coal has been brought to Goa. I would like to mention that it is not from today. It is being brought from many years. And I would like to give you a preview, an official statement of when the coal has been coming to Goa and from which year and what are the quantities. I have to state that one thing is very clear in the heads and all the BJP functionaries, whether it is the BJP organization or whether it is the BJP-led government by the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, that there will be no coal hubs in Goa. This is one clear statement I would like to tell the people of Goa. Now comes the question of MPT's Sagarmala. I do not know, I do not say no to the allegations made by some activists and some people that Sagarmala reports. Now Sagarmala is what? Sagarmala is a project envisaged by the central government where the entire ports of Goa were put into a study program, and the consultant name was there by the name of ATEC, where they have made the Sagarmala 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reports for the entire country. And if you go to see, there is a mention of Sagarmala in the reports of Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3 and Volume 4 and Volume 5, where what is emphasized for MPT and what some people are saying that they have got documents to RTI. These documents are available on the central website of the Ministry of Shipping. विषय जो आसा तो डेव्हलपमेंट जे सेकंड टाइम घालपाचे आहा ते कंटिन्यू जाता.
As Nilesh Cabral, are you convinced that this project, double tracking, is not for coal? Because see now they are investing huge money, 2,000, 3,000 crores. It is a project from Vasco to Prospect, if I am not mistaken. If not for coal, for what it is being made, for passenger traffic?
मुझे समझने की नहीं आसा. We are a developing nation, and in the developing nation, not only Prospect to Vasco, there are many other. If you want, I will get those lists next time. I will show you who double tracking चालू आसा ते India भितर काम. This is part of a developing nation. So whether it is advantages or disadvantages, whether it is loss or profit, is not the look of the government. Government is not here to do business, and this particular project is being done by the central government. So this is for emphasizing to see the nation progressing. Now you cannot see. आपको example समझा. If you go from Vasco to Belgaum, use the train. देखा training almost 4-4.5 hours लगता. 4-4.5 hours कितना लगता? कितना every stoppaचे ते side राहावं पडता. दुसरी ट्रेन येवपा पासून. आणि अशें करून ती distance normally if you go by bike or car, it covered by 2 hours, and train should also be covered by 2 hours. So when this double tracking happens, it will cover in 2 hours. So it is got amenities. I am not saying what you are saying. There will be no goods movement. There will be no other movement. But I can assure you that MPT will not bring. It will limit in the next few days with proof, because now I have shown you the letter. So we want a letter from, we are trying, and we will do under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant. We will bring letter and show that MPT will restrict their coal movement in MPT only to so much. Then what is the problem of bringing?